Yes.
I want my pink racket. All right, go ahead and start, Nicholas. Go ahead and start.
Singles or cutthroat?
Regular cutthroat, yeah.
Ready?
Yep. 1. Excuse me.
1.
2. Nice. Damn.
2. I quit. I want to go.
Right. Out on a high note. 3.
3. 3-0.
4. This might be a fast game.
4-0. 5. Oh, come on, Nick. All you got to do is get right back there. 3 steps.
Zero.
Good. Go. You pulled the Nick, Dave.
I wasn't sure where I was going to go. 1. 2. 2 out.
You.
No, you.
Oh, I started? 4-2? Yep. Ready?
Your point. It got stuck on my head. It's your point.
Hit it?
Yeah, basically.
I think that's still
your
good.
Point. No, it's your point.
6.
It is very illegal.
7. I served to you once or twice?
That was the
first time. So it's 5.
Yeah.
No, so 5, yeah.
5-2. Yes. Hey, what's going on?
Fuck. The second time I played with this racket where it has gotten stuck on the head. 5 out.
I got it. Yours.
Come up.
Never mind. Yours.
That made it.
We're good.
Okay.
I think you're on that side.
No.
No?
He just doesn't want to take my serve. 2.
Yours.
Crap. 3.
Oh, that was close.
I know.
5-3.
Yep.
He gave that one to me. 6. 6-3.
Here we go. Take it.
Nicholas. You. 3-6. 0.
I got it. Shit.
Try. Good try.
I ain't running for that shit.
You could have got it.
I ain't running for that
Dave,
shit.
that's your shot. You could have got that. It's all right. 3.
3. Yep.
Yours. Well done.
Damn. Who's all grown up?
4.
Me? Good points, though. Three.
Fuck, Nick. Move, Nick. God damn it. Sorry.
Cinco.
Sorry.
6. Seven.
Almost.
Nick. Seven outs.
6. Good shot.
Good points. 7 to Nicholas.
Nice serve.
8. Michael. 9.
Oh, fuck.
Was that a bad serve?
Nah, you're good.
All right. 10. Michael. Out.
6.
Huh. Good. He knows damn well you can't get through the glass. 10. $11.
You want to play to 15 or 11?
We can stop now if everybody's wiggling around.
Since they're all ready.
Come.
Good game. Good game.
Maybe go up. I don't know. Bye.
How'd it go in singles?
2.
No, in the best.
Wait.
Did
2,
you run a lot?
4.
Of course you did. Was
2,
it in
4,
doubt?
6, 7.
All right, so how many we got? 3?
We have 7.
7. So
So
one
that is
doubles and 1 cutthroat.
doubles and 1 cutthroat or doubles and 1 strongman.
Promises made, promises kept.
Guys, we got a quarter 3 and a quarter 4, or 2 quarts of 2.
I just want to be in the camera.
Okay, that's fine. We'll get you in the camera tonight. Do you know Michael?
Yeah, I know, Michael.
Oh, good. All right. All right, so who wants to play cutthroat and who wants to play doubles?
I don't care.
What are you going to do?
Okay. About Oscar, me, and Michael on doubles, and then you 3 on cutthroat. Let me have the mic. Switch people around. I got the magnet. Thank you. Oh my.